Ladies, gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today I'm excited. I finally got another pair of shoes because I believe I told you guys last time that it's going to be a while before I get another shoe, but I finally got another one. I actually got two, but I'm going to do this one now. And then the next shoe I do, I'm going to make it as a separate episode, even though I'm just going to do both of them tonight. But anyway, pick these up. I got a retro. So we got a retro, and the other ones I have are mid. But in the unboxing, so these are the Air Jordan 1 retro, the George Green or Green George, how you want to say it, Jordan 1 retros. So they retailed for $125. Right now, a size 12 is going for $168. They came out December 20th, 2022. So a couple weeks ago, because it is 31st. Happy New Year, New Year's Eve. Anyway. And so I like this color because I don't have a lot of green, especially this kind of, what kind of green is this? It's kind of like a leaf green, not military green, but it's a shade of green I don't really have. And as you can see, the check has this like metallic shine to it, right? And then this is actually, I don't know, it almost fell. You can't really tell, but it's like it's kind of like a thick, almost like a cover on top of the print. So it's not just stamped into the leather. It's like I don't know what to call this, but it's almost like a pendant that they put in the shoe. But they do not come with alternate laces, which is, I take that back. They do come with alternate laces. Is it white or black? Oh, they're white. So you guys already know the deal with the white laces. The alternate lace is gonna go on the right shoe when I do the on-foot review. But inside, just your normal white Nike Air. Bottom is green, and it is my favorite leather. I love Jordans that come with that tumble leather, that really soft leather. It's kind of seems like it's a wrinkled almost. Super soft, so it'll last a long time, and they don't crease as easily because it's kind of made to give, unlike that stiff leather. That stiff leather you'll see on the next episode for the ones I do for those. But here's a side by side of them. I love this color. Obviously, I always wear black, so color wise, I don't ever really have a problem with that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and lace these bad boys up and then show you guys the on foot review. So just stay right there. Alrighty, so I got the shoes on feet, and I'm telling you, the alternate laces for me is always the way to go. Majority of the time. Every now and then there's some shoes where the alternate lace doesn't make sense, but the Jordan 1s have been on point with the alternate laces. So I got the white on my right foot and the green on my left. The green is the laces that come with it. And then just giving you guys some side views. We got the new Jordan socks. Just bought these yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So, but that's what they are on foot. And again, get close on the toe box. You see that tumble leather? How it gives, so it doesn't creasing. It takes a minute for it to crease. But just like that. You see what I'm saying? But let me know what you guys think. This is what they look on feet. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time. We out.